without you. I'm afraid tonight to lose. I'm not going home with you tonight.
And the earthen cage that holds us here beneath Earth's surface lies, and through the open door of death, the soul to heaven flies.
Welcome to the studio, guys. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
You're our first performance in this brand new place, so thank you so much. You're initiating it for us. First off, James, you are so busy. I mean, and the music has been going so well. So taking on another project, how do you find the time?
Well, I wanted to find time with Grania, I suppose, and I'd be a fan of her singing voice, and I knew she was going to be a great songwriter as well. I just knew that intrinsically and instinctively, and so I reached out and see would she be interested in doing some writing together. So.
Absolutely. And Grania, now you've done a lot of backing vocals for a lot of people, but now it's your time to shine. Why? Why is it?
Yeah, I've been thinking about it for a while. I've been doing a lot of, like you say, backing vocals, and I just thought, sure, why not? James got in touch about doing some writing, and I said, yeah, he's right, I should do it. So he's been pushing it and driving it, and
did you already have songs in mind? Had you written stuff before?
Yeah,
you were like, this is so fitting.
Yeah, I did have some songs there. One called "The Low Tide Rising" and "Chances" I thought was great, and then I had some other songs that were kind of partially finished, or I had the sketches of them that I knew she could really come on board and kind of, help to the next level as well, and really suit her vocals, and that's what we've been doing. It's been working really well. So.
Yeah, and you've been recording. Have you got your EP recorded?
It's just we're in the process of doing it at the moment.
So when can we expect it?
It's going at the end of March.
End of March.
Yeah.
Last Friday,
March.
27th.
Awesome. And how many songs are on it? And like, did it take ages to pick the songs?
Well, there's going to be six on it. So no, I mean, like the ones we were writing, we just loved. So like next, we like that next. There's no point like hanging around either.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And you're going to play us a song as well. So tell us a little bit about that song before you play for us.
Well, I got this instrument off my father. He brought it back from Tegizi, and it's a local instrument, and it's like people might look at it and think it's a ukulele, but it's quite unusual. So when I was meeting up with Grania, and she was actually away in the Canary Islands, and she said she was away, so I seen it in the corner, I picked it up, and I came out with this kind of tune, and kind of had the melody, and then I put it to Grania, I said, like, this could really work in this project, and then she came up with some amazing lyrics.
Listen, well, can we hear it?
Yeah.
Cool, guys.
Get over there to our performance area.
Yes, guys, make sure you tune in tomorrow as well when I'm going to be checking out a Minecraft convention. Guys, take it away.
When it's time to leave, how can I stop this? Think of this moment, remember this kiss. Secrets and signs, try not to speak of. Hiding our hands, this currency of love. You were the one I wanted the most. You shaped the lining inside this ghost. You are the heavens neath your only ward. No need to rush the words of it all. With the grain of the wood, take your notions away. A storm in my head, chained up this day. The fate of the days in a thimble of love, filled to the top, but flown from above. You were the one I wanted the most. You shaped the lining inside this ghost. You are the heavens neath your only ward. No need to rush the words of it all. I could have stayed here forever with you at the cusp of the night. And I will be both brave and bold, and I will dream of you when I sleep. Everything's changed, but it's all the same. You were the one I wanted the most. You shaped the lining beneath your only war. No need to run